2012 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, 2-ton jack, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks with auto lock feature, secure lock anti-theft ignition, PATS, overhead console, interval wipers, cargo area light, scuff plates, perimeter alarm, split bench seat, cup holders, rear wheel drive, tinted glass, dual note horn, removable locking tailgate, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set. Come see the car for yourself.